Welcome to Skilled MBA Case Study Series in Accounting. ENGINO faced a pivotal decision: pivot to a subscription model amid the pandemic. This strategic shift aimed to mitigate risks from disrupted supply chains and retail closures. The subscription model promised consistent revenue and customer engagement, crucial for survival during uncertain times. In April 2020, COVID-19 severely disrupted global supply chains, causing international distributor orders to stall. This posed a significant threat to ENGINO's business-to-business model, heavily reliant on retail distribution. The crisis necessitated a strategic pivot to explore alternative business models, such as a subscription service, to sustain operations and reach consumers directly. ENGINO, founded by Kostas Sisamos in Cyprus, specializes in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics-focused educational construction toys. The company traditionally operated on a business-to-business model, heavily reliant on international distributors. This approach faced challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic, as global supply chains were disrupted and retail closures threatened the business model. The idea of a direct-to-consumer subscription model was considered even before the pandemic. However, COVID-19 lockdowns significantly increased the demand for at-home learning solutions, making it an opportune moment for a bold pivot towards this model. This shift aligns with the growing need for accessible, engaging educational resources delivered directly to consumers. The STEM box offers monthly educational kits with age-appropriate challenges and digital learning content. Positioned as a direct-to-consumer product, it leverages a recurring revenue model to provide a comprehensive home learning solution. This approach aims to meet the growing demand for engaging at-home educational experiences. Key strategic questions include assessing profitability. Can STEM box achieve sufficient margins? Evaluating the timeline. Is breaking even by year 2 feasible? Ensuring strategic fit. Does it align with ENGINO's long-term vision? These factors are crucial for sustainable growth and market success. STEM box boasts a 55% gross margin, surpassing traditional retail benchmarks. The customer acquisition cost ratio stands at 40%, indicating efficient marketing strategies. With an impressive 85% projected annual retention rate, the model ensures sustained customer engagement and loyalty, crucial for long-term profitability. The revenue model focuses on subscription-based income, leveraging recurring payments for stability. This approach ensures predictable cash flow and enhances customer lifetime value. Additionally, upselling premium features and personalized services can further boost revenue. This model aligns with the high retention rate, maximizing profitability while maintaining customer satisfaction. Operational challenges include fulfillment logistics, necessitating new shipping infrastructure. Customer service is crucial for maintaining direct consumer relationships, requiring robust support systems. Additionally, developing monthly educational content is essential to engage and educate consumers effectively. The STEM toy segment is experiencing significant growth, driven by parents seeking at-home educational solutions. The subscription market remains under-penetrated, presenting opportunities for expansion. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated spending on educational products, highlighting a shift towards digital learning and subscription boxes as parents prioritize educational engagement at home. KiwiCo dominates with age-specific kits, while Mel Science excels in chemistry-focused subscriptions. Bitsbox targets coding education. ENGINO leverages manufacturing expertise and a strong brand. Each competitor offers unique strengths, shaping the educational toy market landscape. Exploring strategic paths, the traditional business-to-business distribution offers lower margins and limited customer data, making it susceptible to retail disruptions. Alternatively, the subscription path emphasizes direct-to-consumer recurring revenue, promising higher margins and ownership of customer relationships, enabling data-driven product development. In the second quarter of 2020, we focused on product design and prototype testing. By the third quarter, we established our website and fulfillment processes. The fourth quarter saw a limited launch in key markets, setting the stage for a full-scale international rollout in the first quarter of 2021. This phased approach ensured readiness and adaptability for market demands. Vision and timing are crucial for decision makers. Analyzing market trends and executing strategies effectively can turn crises into opportunities for innovative business models. Financial projections should align with strategic goals to ensure sustainable growth and success. Thank you, and decoding global business dilemmas requires a nuanced understanding of leadership challenges. Skilled MBA offers insights into strategic decision-making, emphasizing the importance of vision, timing, analysis, and execution. By leveraging these elements, leaders can transform crises into opportunities for innovative business models, ensuring financial projections align with strategic goals.